Hi, Mr.
Hello,
Malik.
pharmacist.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Hi. My name is Shiv and I'm your pharmacist.
Okay.
And I'll be happy to assist you today. So, before I go through your prescription that the doctor prescribed today,
Okay.
I would like to know first your medical conditions.
Yeah, I have a blood pressure problem and I have a chest pain sometime, and I also have a increased heartbeat often when I go out for a run or when I walk too fast. So yeah, that's all I have.
Okay. And do you have current allergies right now?
No, I don't have any allergy.
Okay, alright. And are you taking any other medications before that I have in your profile?
Sometimes I take aspirin and sometimes ibuprofen for my pain, and I'm also taking multivitamin tablets.
Okay.
Yeah. Other than that, I don't have any other medication.
Okay, alright. And your profile indicates that you are taking nitroglycerin spray, Lipitor, and aspirin.
Yeah, for my
Regularly.
blood pressure, yeah, and chest pain also.
Okay.
Okay.
And I'll go through your medication that doctor prescribed today. It's
Okay.
metoprolol extended release 25 milligram twice a day.
Okay.
So before you were taking 12.5 milligram once a day. which-
Okay, may I know why he changed it?
Yeah, he called in today and he said that in order to improve more conditions like your high blood pressure,
Okay.
to control that one, he said to increase the dose
Okay.
and also to make it in extended release.
Okay.
The reason for this medication being an extended release is to improve your condition over a long period of time.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, even though I was taking the other previous medication, my blood pressure was not in the control. Sometimes it was going up, sometimes going down. So it was not under control. So even though, and sometimes I skip doses, I forget to take my medication, because when I take my medication for chest pain and in the evening I forget to take the other medication that I have.
Okay.
So I don't know how to remember, how to keep remembering
Yeah,
that.
make
You know,
sure
how
you
to-
take these medications, like all 4 medications that you have in your profile regularly,
Okay.
and keep a schedule with that.
Okay.
Like write in your calendar or just make it with the meal
Okay.
so that you can remember, or like take it like with you at your current activities,
Okay.
that you can remember the medications that you have to take on.
Yeah.
Because it's very important for you to take all these medications. You can't
Okay.
skip the dose.
Okay.
Okay. And
Yeah.
in case if you skip the dose, just make it.
Can I take 2 tablets like the next day?
No, it's twice a day because it will be like higher dose if
Oh,
you take 2
okay.
tablets at a time.
Okay.
So make sure you take it at a regular interval
Okay.
and just take it with lots of water, and you can always take with the food.
Okay.
Okay. And with these medications, you may experience the signs of dizziness,
Okay.
like drowsiness, and as well as if you feel irregular heartbeats, always consult a doctor with this medication.
Okay.
Alright, and you just make sure you don't drive while taking, like after taking this medication
But-
instantly.
Yeah, but I have to go to work in the morning, and
So you can
how-
always take it after you reach to work.
Oh, okay. So
Okay.
yeah, I can drive, and when I reach to work, I can
Yeah,
take a
because-
medication.
Because these medications do faint the people, so just
Oh,
make sure
okay.
you don't drive after
Okay.
you take this medication.
Mm-hmm.
Also, reduce the exercise that you are doing, like if you do regularly, because it may increase the signs of chest pain.
Yeah, when I 2 days ago, when I went out for running in the park, I don't know what happened. Suddenly, I started chest pain. It increased my chest pain when I go out for running in the park.
Oh,
So-
do you take that pump with
Yeah,
you?
I had my pump, and when I use my pump after chest pain, I feel better. But again, when I start running, still I have chest pain. So
Did you ask doctor regarding these conditions, like after
no,
you,
no,
you had to contact doctor like after you do this type of activities,
Okay.
so that he can just reduce or just give advice regarding how to tackle with this situation.
Okay.
Alright, and also with the diet, it's very important you just restrict your sodium content.
Okay.
So high salt intake would harsh your condition.
Okay.
So make sure you just lower your salt intake.
I can eat little bit salt, right?
Yeah, you can eat little salt, but just make sure you don't eat too much.
Okay.
And also, alcohol may also like it's an adverse effect for this medication.
Okay.
So
But
make
I
sure-
drink alcohol, like 1 or 2
Mhm.
drink a day. Is it fine?
That's fine, but just keep apart from after, like 2 to 3 hours
Oh,
before
okay.
or after taking the medication.
Not with medication.
No, not with medications. And
Okay.
also refills you are having 2 refills after this, so you can always come after you get shot.
Next month I have to come again?
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's the 6th of April, and so you can always come like around 3rd or 4th April, 3rd May.
Yeah, usually I get a call from pharmacy when the
Yeah,
refill is
yeah.
ready.
It's
So
always-
that's why it's really good.
Mhm.
I always come to here.
So I guess this medication will help you in improving your blood pressure
Okay.
as well as the chest pain.
Okay.
So make sure you take this medication like as appropriately timed so that you can get the dose as required. Okay.
Yeah, and I've been taking all this medication, blood pressure link, since almost 3-4 years. I don't know, like, why should I keep taking this and for how long? Like,
Yeah, here's the thing, like you have chest pain, blood pressure as well as a cholesterol.
okay,
So to maintain all these conditions, you have to take multiple medications,
okay,
and for these things you have to take might be longer time.
okay,
So just make sure these medications are not just giving effect; it's improving day by day.
Okay.
So just make sure you don't skip the dose, and always take it as appropriate as possible. Okay.
okay,
And always go through the label. And as I said, you have to take twice a day. So just make sure you take it like that. Okay.
okay.
So if you can go through what I will say.
Yeah, I have to take all the 3 medication, blood pressure, for my cholesterol,
Mhm.
and for my chest pain every day, whenever, like in the blood pressure in the morning and in the evening. And I in the morning when I drive and after reaching to work, then I have to take this medication, blood pressure medication.
And how many times you taken a day?
2 times a day.
Okay. So it's a 60 tablet for
Okay.
1 month, and you can always come.